some house slippers, a Julie Brown leather jacket that I bought Benny. They had a broken keyboard, I bought a broken keyboard. I bought a ski blanket, then I bought a keyboard. I love my ace and my bella. Drop my neck, another little French game, hell no. I can take some girl wings, like a cold cell. Keep her head looking like, oh, he got the belt curl. Sometimes I got $20 in my pocket. I'm not running, looking for a come up. This is fucking now. I'm gonna call sometimes. I got $20 in my pocket. This is fucking now. What you know about rocking that whole funny noggin? What you know about wearing that hurt box? Yeah, I'm thinking I'm searching right through this luggage. One man's trash, that's another man's stuff. I'm thinking granddad or the leaning back class on that up shirt. Right now I'm up in her skirt. I'm at the door, you can find me in the upstairs. I'm searching through that section. Your mommy, your mammy, your auntie, your nanny. I'll take your flannel, super jammy, second-hand and rock that motherfucker. Remember the ones with the socks on that motherfucker. Rolling the party and they stop with that motherfucker. They be like, yo, that Gucci, that's hella tight. That's $50 for a t-shirt. Limited edition, this is some simple addition. $50 for a t-shirt, and there's something you're in this shit. Call that getting swindled and pimp shit. Call that getting tricked by business. That shirt's hella dope. And having the same on the system of people in this world is a hella dope. Beat game, but you take a look through my telescope. Trying to get girls from my brand, no you hella won't. No you hella won't. Come on, put your hands in the air. I'm gonna call sometimes. I only got $20 in my pocket. I'm not hungry, looking for a number. This is fucking awesome. Oh yeah, y'all. I'll ring your red-ass phone. I look incredible. In this big-ass coat, of a good shot down the road. I'll ring your red-ass phone. He looks incredible. In this big-ass coat, of a good shot down the road. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. Fucking awesome. Oh yeah,